Congratulations to all the graduates out there from the Petroleum Engineering Department. We're proud of you. Please stay in touch and go ore diggers.
Hello, graduates. So excited for you and so happy for you. You've put in a lot of hard work, and this is a special time for you to celebrate and have fun. We're really proud of you. Go ore diggers.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Congratulations, class of 2020. It was a challenging semester, but you prevailed. Best wishes for your future.
Congratulations, graduates. You got this. Check out the URL above from the CS department. Good luck to you.
Congratulations to all the ore diggers graduating in fall 2020. You have overcome challenges of the pandemic, which is perhaps unprecedented in the school history. Kudos to you and the best of luck in your future careers.
Hey, congratulations on graduating. This degree will serve you well. Congratulations, welcome to the alumni family, and go ore diggers.
Hey, all of you fall 2020 ore digger MT graduates, going on to great things, and so stay in touch. Let us know how things are going, and we hope to see you again.
Congratulations, ore diggers. I have no doubt you'll continue to do incredible things. Don't forget to come back and visit.
Congratulations. These are some trying times, and you made it through. We're all proud of you, and we're looking forward to seeing what comes next.
Hello, graduating seniors. I really wish this wasn't a recording. I wish I was there to shake your hands, look you in the eyes, and congratulate you on all your accomplishments. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and please do stay in touch. Cheers.
Congratulations, fall 2020 graduates. I'm wishing you the best of luck.
Congratulations to our graduating mechanical engineering doctoral and master's students. It's been a pleasure to work with you, and I look forward to seeing great things from you in the future.
From all of us here at Arthur Lakes Library to the graduating class of 2020, in a year to remember, congratulations and good luck, and come back and visit us.
Congratulations, graduates, from all of us in civil and environmental engineering.
Congratulations!
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 Hey there, ore diggers. I want to offer my congratulations to all the graduates and a big shout out to all the double E's who adapted so well to the realities of labs during the pandemic.
Graduating ore diggers, you've earned your degree and no one can take it away from you. Enjoy the opportunities it opens as you embark on the next stage of your life, and keep the Mines community aware of your achievements, knowing you will always be a rich part of our legacy. Congratulations.
I would like to congratulate the graduates of the inaugural class of the interdisciplinary program Advanced Energy Systems. You did a great job and were trailblazers in our first class, and I wish you all the best for your future.
Congratulations. Woohoo!
You won the challenge of becoming an ore digger, and you became an ore digger. And you rose to that challenge and succeeded wonderfully. And now you get to call yourself an ore digger graduate forever. Congratulations to you, class of 2020. Best wishes.
I'd like to say congratulations to my 3 graduate students who are graduating this semester. Great job, everyone. Best of luck.
Hello, graduating seniors and graduate students from mechanical engineering at Mines. We're sorry we can't wish you congratulations in person, but all of us on the faculty and staff and ME wish the very best for you and your careers. We very much want you to keep in touch with us, tell us the things you're doing, and hopefully come back and visit with us when you can.
Happy graduation!
Happy graduation! You guys made it! Congratulations! On behalf of the Chemical and Biological Engineering Department, I will wish you a wonderful and happy graduation. Congratulations!
Bye! Bye! Congratulations! Woo!
Congratulations to the class of 2020. It's great to be welcoming our next class of alumni. Reach for the stars, stay engaged, and go ore diggers.
As department head of electrical engineering, I wanted to congratulate all of our recent graduates. Well done during a really tough time. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all of our graduates from the Electrical Engineering Department. We've really enjoyed getting to know you, and we wish you all the best in the future.
I know it took a lot of hard work and dedication to get where you are today. Congratulations, class of 2020, and welcome to the next stage in your life.
Congratulations. You earned it. Be proud of all that you've accomplished. We are proud to have you as graduates.
Hello, Geology and Geological Engineering. To our graduating students, congratulations.
Whatever the future holds for you, always remember you're part of the ore digger family, and we're so proud of you.
Congratulations, ore diggers. We are so proud of you, and I hope that you are as excited as we are to have you now as part of the CSM alumni family.
Congratulations, graduates. You did it. You've earned it.
Welcome to Mines Alumni. As you continue your career and build your networks, I think you'll come to realize the benefit of a degree from Colorado School of Mines. And we hope you stay in touch.